In this video, we'll walk you through how to change your Netflix password quickly and easily. Whether you've forgotten your password or want to update it for security reasons, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Netflix on your device. First, open the Netflix app on your device or go to the Netflix website using your web browser. Step 2. Sign in to your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your current Netflix credentials, email and password, to sign in to your account. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Account. Step 4. Find the Change Password option. Under the Membership and Billing section, look for the Change Password option. Click on it to begin the password reset process. Step 5. Enter your current password. In the password change page, you'll be asked to enter your current password to verify your identity. Type in your current password in the required field. Step 6. Create a new password. Now, enter a new password. Make sure it is secure and meets the following requirements: at least 8 characters. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the second field. Step 7. Click Save. After entering your new password, click the Save button to finalize the change. Step 8. Log out of other devices, optional. For extra security, you can choose to log out of all devices. This will force all devices to sign in again with the new password. Simply click the checkbox next to Sign out of all devices if you want to enable this option. Step 9. Done. You've successfully changed your Netflix password. You can now log in with your new password on any device. That's it. You've now updated your Netflix password, making your account more secure. Make sure to remember your new password or save it in a password manager for easy access. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.